Welcome to the VitaLife Show. I'm naturopathic Dr. Janine Bowring. Today I am sharing my absolute favorite natural eyelash growth serum. So if you are looking how to grow nice, long, luscious eyelashes fast, this is the video for you. So stay tuned right to the end. I'm going to share the recipe and you can see the recipe in the description below. So why do we want long eyelashes? Well, it opens up our eyes. It makes us look beautiful and awake and alive at all times, which is fantastic. And to do it naturally is such a good thing. I know a lot of you may love the eyelash extensions, but there comes a point when sometimes I think you've got to take a bit of a break. I know with the extensions, they can be a little bit uncomfortable, but also they can, sometimes lead to some infections and things. And a lot of you just find them too irritating. So you can't use oils on your face when you have the extensions, and this is an oil formula. So if you're taking a break from your eyelash extensions, you can do this in between to help to grow your own lashes and to do it beautifully. So let me share with you some of the ingredients. So first we're going to use some coconut oil. I actually love to use the liquid version, which now you can find in health food stores, and that liquid version you don't have to worry about it solidifying at room temperature, which it can. We also have castor oil. So castor oil, you want to get a hexane-free organic castor oil. We also have sweet almond oil. So this is a fantastic beauty secret for so many people that do things naturally, and using it externally is fantastic. I also have 2 capsules of vitamin E. So this is 400 units each, 2 capsules. You can go a bit stronger. They do come in 800 units as well, but I use 2 capsules of the 400 IU of my vitamin E, and I'm going to mix this in. So the recipe is your 2 capsules of your vitamin E. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of your castor oil, 1 teaspoon of your sweet almond oil, and 1 teaspoon of your coconut oil. Super easy, right guys? Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. Just find a little container. You can use a baby jar. A glass is good. Plastic is good as well. I tend to drop things a lot, so I like plastic. But I'm just going to mix that into my clean container. Make sure it's clean. Remember, anything that you're using around the eyes, you want to be careful about, making sure that there's no extra bacteria in there that we don't want. So using 1 teaspoon, and it doesn't have to be exact, guys. I'm going to mix in my 1 teaspoon of my coconut oil. There we go. And my 1 teaspoon of castor oil. And you know what I discovered when I was doing this recipe is that this is fantastic for a makeup remover. So an eye makeup remover, your makeup basically just melts off, and I'm going to share that with you at the end as well, how I do that. And 1 teaspoon of my sweet almond oil. And the best way to get the contents out of these little capsules, if you've got a safety pin or a little pin, just be careful guys, don't prick yourself. And you're just going to pierce that and squeeze that vitamin E into, so I'm just piercing that carefully and squeezing that into my container. There we go. And then you can mix that up. So ideally the way that I apply this now is I use a Q-tip and mix that into my container. We have a visitor. Hey, Jasper, my dog, has just come to join us in the video. Hey, Jasper, you want some eyelash serum? Yeah, you want some? Oh, you're so cute. Too bad we can't get him on camera. Oh, it looks like he's gonna come around. So, you're just going to use a few drops of the eyelash serum on the top lid. So I don't recommend on the bottom, and you don't want to have too much excess when you're doing this. Always close your container, and you're just going to apply on your upper eyelids. You can do this twice a day. So first thing in the morning, or you can do it just once a day, at bedtime. So use it to remove all of your eye makeup. I'm telling you, it melts off. It's like magic. It's fantastic. You're going to love it. So please leave your questions and your comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. We have so many different beauty, videos. We talk about health. We talk about, how to get healthy and do everything naturally from the inside out. That's what I'm all about. And again, being a naturopathic doctor, I love to educate all of you. So thanks for joining joining me today. You can call us toll free at 1-844-GET-WELL if you'd like to get more information and speak with our VitaTree experts. Go to our website, www.vitatree.com, for tons more information about getting healthy from the inside out.